we can get a musical pack.
Oh, cool. Oh, maybe. Oh. How many did you miss?
A little bit. How many did you miss any?
I don't think so.
Okay, we'll try harder. I mean, we have to keep playing if we want the musical pack anyway, so.
That's your excuse, huh? I did it on purpose.
I'm not doing it on purpose.
You must have missed all of them, because I got pretty sure I got all of them.
I missed a few.
Yeah, 4. Ooh, I was close.
Look, we got 76 that time.
And not 79. Off by 3. How the fuck is that? How the fuck is that possible? I got every single one.
Well, then I must have missed 3.
Do I gotta come over here? I have to come over here and do yours for you?
I told you at the beginning.
Here you go. Here, the bell, drum, there.
Wow, babe. What are you doing? You're getting tickets. You bitch!
Dude, what? Huh? What's up?
Bitch! I can't practice when you're being over here like that. If I need to get it perfect, then I need to practice. Wow, this is not helping.
What do you mean? I
It's
gotcha.
not helping me practice, babe.
The hell? 28? Babe.
I wonder why.
Oh my god, you missed a lot. You must have missed a lot then. Damn. Like 50 off.
Damn.
Fuck. Oh, hey!
You got your music pack.
Didn't you get it too?
No, because you've been performing better than me.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Well, you know. That goes without saying. Not just in the game, but in life.
What?